energy is the animating creative power in the universe. Animating means life-giving, creating, creates a power which is found everywhere. Huh? Energy is not visible, but you can measure. Potential energy, kinetic energy.
Okay.
Two types of energy. Kinetic energy is moving, potential, it has energy, it can do something.
Okay, so if we put it in like the human sense, like human energy, is that what chakras are?
No.
Okay.
Energy is the animating force, the power in creation. So we are composed of energy. Where we get our energy from?
Yeah, where do we get our energy from?
One is the invisible power, we don't know, the creative power.
Right.
The other one is the sun.
AKA God and also sun. Okay.
The other one is sun. Do you know your sun? You're part of the sun.
Right.
How do you say that?
I mean, I don't think we'll grow without the sun.
See, the energy from the sun, it's given a name called solar energy. Where does it go? In life. Some clever creation in life managed to capture the energy.
Right.
Which life is that?
Earth's life.
Plants.
Oh, plants, okay. But also Earth's life, humans also.
Plant takes the energy through a process called photosynthesis.
Right.
And it has developed the system of storing that energy.
Right.
And using it.
Right.
Example, let's take rice. Energy from the sun goes to the plant and stored in the rice. Seed, you know?
Right.
It's actually energy. Glucose.
Right.
All the carbohydrates there.
Right.
They are actually storehouse of energy, solar energy.
Right.
So what man cannot take energy direct into his system.
We cannot go out to the sun and then get sun's energy?
You cannot take the sun's energy to your
The
system.
body doesn't have some sort of photosynthesis process?
The plant has.
Oh, okay.
It pulls its energy. And we use the plant's energy.
Oh.
Okay. So you take rice, goes into your system, it is broken into glucose, the units of energy. And that is absorbed into the bloodstream and is taken to the cell, into the cell.
Right.
Glucose goes into the cell.
Right.
And inside the cell there is a system to break it into energy. That is called?
I don't know, there's a word for it. I forgot. I studied in science. What's it called again? Osmosis. No, that's water. What's it called?
Glycolysis, something like that.
Oh my god. Okay, there's a scientific
So,
word.
see, the energy from the sun in the form of glucose go into the cell and the cell through this process,
Right.
electron chain transport process, the glucose is converted to energy and water and all that. Carbon.
Right.
So that energy, if you have this, you will see the sun in your cell.
Right.
So you know the energy how it's moving. That is the energy when the glucose is broken down. Energy is used to drive all the processes in the human cell.
Right. Is it possible for us to just get energy straight from the sun? Right. We're not built that way.
Cannot.
We'll get skin cancer.
So you follow through the evolution.
Right.
You get me?
So, okay, so this is like, I would say, like physical, like food we take, and like, I would say it's matter,
No,
very
you must
matter.
be able to see the energy in the food. And energy is from the sun, so sun is in the food. And
This
the
is-
food goes into the cell.
This is also one of the ways you discovered this healing process with
Right.
seeds, right? Right?
So you must know the journey of the energy. It's everywhere, it moves. So it's not extra energy you're getting, you're just using what is there.
Okay, so this is like matter, like food, like in seeds and plants and things like that. Also in animals, I would say, right?
Yeah.
Right. Because animals eat plants.
Yeah.
Right. And other animals also.
Yes.